The most valuable skills that I learned through FIRST are how to be a leader, how to contribute and work effectively in a team setting, and how to make mistakes and learn from them.
Some of the skills that I've learned through robotics were CAD, teamwork skills, and leadership skills, and I use those extensively in my day-to-day interactions and as part of my degree.
The most valuable skill that I've learned through FIRST is communication. Being able to have people with vastly different skills and traits within one team and helping them use those skills to create one goal, in this case, one robot. It's that and the swanky power tools.
I think that FIRST does a great job of teaching students how to get things done effectively as a team, even under tight deadlines and restrictions. Being part of and leading an FRC team helps me build those valuable leadership and project management skills that I frequently apply to this day.
The most valuable skills I've learned from FIRST are cooperation, leadership, and dealing with a deadline.
The most valuable skills that I learned through FIRST are learning how to delegate educational tasks and improving as a team through competing.
Through robotics, I've learned a number of skills. Programming being one of the most important, along with teamwork and leadership skills. And I've been able to use these skills outside of robotics in my professional and academic careers.
The most valuable skills that I've learned through FIRST are teamwork and leadership. I learned how to operate more effectively in a team setting to solve challenging problems, which has proven to be a valuable skill both in my academic career and moving into my professional career as an engineer as well.
The most valuable skill that I learned through FIRST was working with CAD software, which accumulated into some of the knowledge I hope to use in this upcoming robot in 3 days.
The most valuable skills I have learned through FIRST are technical communication and collective problem solving.
The most valuable skills I learned from FIRST was communication and leadership. The ability to communicate and keep everybody on the same page is something that I've been using in the planning committee to make this event run smoothly.
The most valuable skill that I learned through FIRST was how to creatively come up with a solution to a problem and how to improvise when you're close to a deadline if you need to.
The most valuable skill that I learned through FIRST is teamwork, leadership, and cooperation, as well as gracious professionalism.
The most valuable skills that I learned through FIRST are communication and time management skills. Through presenting to judges and guests at robotics events, I became more comfortable with public speaking and learned how to present technical information in a variety of styles. Through the tight season timeline, I continued to learn how important it is to manage your time, work together as a team, and delegate tasks.
But I learned a lot of valuable skills. Some of these are mainly communication, such as how to interact with my teammates professionally and how to ask for help when I need it. I use these skills daily at school.
The most valuable skill I got through FIRST, I'll give a couple. Just basic leadership skills, really got to build that foundational emotional intelligence in leadership. Absolutely huge, kind of seeing a person to a person instead of a leader to a follower, or however that dynamic ends up going, but really just seeing the humanity in it all and caring for one another is really huge. And balancing work and health life. That's something that a lot of people struggle with, and I think FIRST really gave that opportunity to really find that balance and work through it, and I'm very grateful for.